Welcome viewers. Today we are going to look at how to solve an equation that involves factorials. So in this equation we have y squared minus 3 over 2y factorial divided by 3 factorial equals to 5 factorial times 7 factorial. What is the value of y? Solution. Let's rewrite the equation. We have y squared minus 3 over 2y factorial divided by 3 factorial equals to 5 factorial 7 factorial. So let's multiply through by 3 factorial. So we will have y squared minus 3 over 2y factorial over 3 factorial equals to 5 factorial 7 factorial. So we multiply here by 3 factorial and multiply here too by 3 factorial. So this will give us y squared minus factorial cancel factorial. We have over 3 over 2 y factorial equals to 5 factorial 7 factorial. So let's rearrange this one. I can write this one as 3 factorial times 5 factorial times 7 factorial. Note that when we say factorial, if you say n factorial, what it simply means is that we are going to have the product of n minus 1 from its value down to 1. So we have this is same as n multiplied by n minus 1 multiplied by n minus 2 down to 1. So if you have 3 factorial simple means 3 times 2 times 1. 5 factorial means 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. The same thing applies to 7 factorial. So let's get back to the equation. We have y squared minus 3 over 2y factorial equals to 3 times 2 times 1. That is for the 3 factorial. Then we also have 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And that is for the 5 factorial. Multiplied by 7 factorial. Okay. We are trying to write the equation in such a way that we can reorganize this one to 1 factorial. So we have here as y squared minus 3 over 2y factorial equals to, let's do this. You can see that we have 3, 2, 1 here. We have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 here. But looking at this, if we take 2 times 5, you get 10, right? We are multiplying. And if we take 3 here times this 3, we will get 9. We are left with 4 and 2 here. So 4 times 2 will give us what? 8. So it means that the product of these two brackets will give us 10 times 9 times 8. So we now have this one as 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 factorial. We also know that if you have n factorial, that's if you have n factorial, it's the same as n multiplied by n minus 1 factorial, right? So given that, we can write this one as y squared minus 3 over 2y factorial equals to 8 times 7 factorial will give us 10 times 9 times 8 factorial. And again, y minus 3 over 2 factorial will be equals to 9 times 8 factorial will give us 10 times 9 factorial. And again, we have y squared minus 3 over 2 y factorial equals to 10 times 9 factorial give us 10 factorial. Right. So we can see that we're able to express the right hand side of the equation to 10 factorial. So we now compare the left hand side to the right hand side. So factorial here, so we can now compare the brackets and the 10. So we have y squared. This implies that we have y squared minus 3 over 2 y equals to 10. We now ignore the factorial. Good. So we have this equation. We can rewrite this one as y squared minus 3 over 2 y minus 10 equals to 0. Let's multiply through by 2 so the equation will look beautiful. So multiplying through by 2, we have here as times 2, this one 2 times 2, this one times 2. So this will give us 2y squared minus 3y minus 20 equals to 0. So we now have a quadratic equation, right? So we apply the general solution formula for quadratics, and that is going to give us y equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So here a is a coefficient of y squared, so that will give us 2. B is a coefficient of y, and that gives us minus 3. And C is constant, so that gives us minus 20. So this implies y is equals to minus 3 for the b plus or minus square root of b, which is minus 3 squared minus 4a. A is 2 multiplied by c, which is minus 20, all divided by 2 times 2. Right. So we have y equals to 3 plus 3, minus 3 minus 3 give us plus 3, plus or minus square root of, we have minus 3 square give us 9, plus 4 times 2 times minus 6, 4 times 2 times minus 20 to give us 160 positive, divided by 4. So we have y equals to 3 plus or minus square root of 169 divided by 4. So y is equals to 3 plus or minus square root of 69 is 13 divided by 4. So we have y equals to 3 plus 13, or y is equals to 3 minus 13. Here divided by 4, here 2 divided by 4. So we get y equals to 13 plus 3 will give us 16 over 4, or y equals to 13 minus 3 minus 13. 3 minus 13 will give us minus 10 all over 4. So we have y equals to 16 divided by 4 will give us 4, or y equals to 2 into 10 will give us minus 5. That's 2 here, 5, and 2 here, 2. So that will give us 5 over 2, minus 5 over 2, which may be equals to or equivalent to minus 2.5. So therefore, y is equals to 4, or y is equals to minus 5 over 2, which can also be written as minus 2.5. So these are the solution sets for the equation. Thank you for watching this video. Do give it a thumbs up and share it with friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Click on the bell to receive notification whenever we upload new tutorial videos. Your subscription is my biggest motivation for making new videos to aid viewers' understanding of mathematics. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Cheers. Goodbye. See you next time.